guys to my channel, it's Sidhu here. Today I'm going to react to Uzumaki Season 1 Episode 1. I know I'm 2 weeks late, already 2 episodes have come out, released, but I'm reacting to it now because my friends have been recommending it to me, like pushing me and saying like I like to see your reaction to this anime. And so after so many recommendations, I was actually going to skip this anime this season because I'm already reacting to 3 other animes actually, which are Dandadan and Blue Lock Season 1, and I'm going to react to Dragon Ball Daima 2. So if you are interested in those, please check out my channel. But yeah, so I was not keen in taking up this anime too, but their recommendations are like I got these recommendations from so many people that I am so curious to see what is in this anime, like what's happening. This is not the first time I have heard about Uzumaki. Like I have heard it before even the anime was announced. Like the manga is famous, already famous. So I know that it is a horror anime. I know that it is seinen manga. So the story is going to be dark and interesting. So yeah, I'm excited. I don't know like how I'm going to react to this. Like this is I think so going to be my second horror anime that I'm watching. I'm not keen or deep or basically I'm not an horror anime boy. I have seen other horror animes, but not particularly mainly an horror anime. I have seen horror comedies like Higurashi and Dandadan that I'm saying. Like these are some they have an horror element along with some other element too. But I think so Uzumaki is at its core it's an horror anime. So yeah, I'm excited for it. And the first anime that I've seen, and I consider it the best horror story that I've witnessed till now, is Another. I don't know if you have seen it. If you have not, please after watching this video, please go and check it out. Another anime. It is just only 12 episodes and it's a masterclass of an horror anime. And I'm excited and curious if this will top that. So yeah, I don't know how this is going to be. I have seen a glimpses of this anime and I think so it is in black and white. So that already has made me interested. Like what are they trying to achieve here and everything. But anyway, that's where I am in my anime sphere about horror anime. But yeah, and before going to the reaction guys, I would like to request you guys to please like, share, subscribe if you like this reaction or many other reactions, and please check out my other videos too. That would greatly help me guys. That would tell the YouTube algorithm that you guys like this kind of videos, and therefore the YouTube algorithm will push these videos to other people too, and it will make my YouTube channel grow. And that's the greatest help you guys can do for me, and it's free to do. So please guys, please do it. And with that being said, please avoid this. I know shadows are being cast on my body, like the lighting is a little bit wacky, but I am recording this a little early from my usual timings because of some situations, because of some circumstances. But so yeah, the sun has not set yet, so the light is coming from the window, and so the room is uncontrollably bright. I can't control it with my lighting, so I have to do this kind of things to make my face bright so that you guys can see my reaction. So yeah, please I'm sorry if these shadows are distracting you guys, but yeah, for this video or for maybe I'm actually planning to record episode 1 and episode 2 today itself, so that I will be ready for episode 3 when it is going to get released in this week. So yeah, for episode 1 episode 2, please bear with me guys. And with that being said, I'm very excited to go check this anime out. So without wasting much time, let's get to the reaction. Man, I'm excited. Wow, the animation style. Wow, the subtitles are blending in the anime. Black and white subtitles. Wow, okay, for the hometown. This is something different. Oh, the spirals everywhere. Man, this is different. It looks like manga panels being animated. It's already creepy. Wow, produced in USA. Many foreign producers. Junji Ito. I heard a lot about him. I heard that he's one of the greatest horror writers. I had to check out his other works too. But let's see if Uzumaki lives up to its name. Man, this is tripping me out. The black and white, like sketches type of animation. It is adding to the feel, definitely. The creepy atmosphere that it is trying to create. Oh wow, okay. He's going to be our male main character, and she's going to be the female main character, maybe. I saw that I saw the romance tag under this anime too. So that's going to be interesting how this is going to get incorporated into this. Wow, what did he notice? Like, did he see something? Why does he want to leave this town? It is definitely creepy. Oh wow, okay, spirals, whirlpools. Man, her hair, the lines. Wow, oh my god. Again, spirals. I didn't think spirals will be this in your face in this anime. Wow, the theme is bluntly put in front of you. Hmm. What? What? Huh? Is that for real? Are you already seeing this? It's not. It hasn't been even 5 minutes into the anime. Yeah. How is it being so nonchalant about this? Oh wow. A little bit of comedy too. He's obsessed with the spirals. This is wild. What is happening? It is definitely funny, yeah. Exactly. But how? Why is he nonchalant about these things? I would have just run out of the house, never turning back. I can understand, man. Seeing your father's eyeballs moving that way, it would drive me insane too. He is not wrong. Oh wow, okay. Uzumaki means spirals in Japanese. I didn't know that. I should have known that. I don't know why. How long, how far are they going to take this concept of Uzumaki? Wow. Man, this is creepy. It was funny for a moment, but this is creepy. Man, his eyeballs. Will they start spinning? Wow. Yeah. Oh, wow. He was her boyfriend. Hmm. Man, the animation too, it looks like a. What? What is that cut? The spiral there too. Wow. But yeah, what I was saying is the animation seemed like stop motion animation kind of thing. It is not completely smooth. It is definitely adding to the atmosphere, the creepiness. Wow. Again, spirals in the background. What? What is he noticing? Man is severely traumatized. Something is wrong with her. What did he notice? What? What does that mean? What does me being spiral mean? Oh no, he's going to lose his girlfriend. That's sad. That no. Getting too creepy. What? What? That's creepy, yeah. That is wild. That is a spiral too, right? Oh my god. This is getting creepy. Why are they being nonchalant like this? Oh no, she's again. What is happening? He is seeing something. He is sensing something. Wow. Hmm? But yeah, it is extending into spiral. Yeah, that's what I was saying. But why? What? Like, I'm still not understanding. What is up with the spirals? But she lives out of this town. What? Then why is he still living here? I would have run, man. If my father's eyeballs are rotating like that, just consider me out of this country. What? Is he dead? How did he die? Man, I think so. After watching this anime, I will also be noticing spirals everywhere. It is already affecting me, and it's not been 10 minutes even. Yeah. So what happened? And also after witnessing what his father did, how is she so calm? Like she just saw a man fold his tongue like that. Hoo-hoo. Wow, that was delivered to him, right? After our female main character ran out of the house. What? He saw this and was being so nonchalant? How is he still sane? And what is happening? Wow, that smoke. Hmm, exactly. Man, this is creepy. What? And again, how is our main character sane after seeing his father being turned into that? How is he still here? Man, what is happening? There is definitely supernatural element. What? Oh yeah, she finally broke. Makes sense. Perfectly makes sense. Her reaction. Hmm? Oh my god, that's creepy. Everyone is witnessing this. Man, I would have left already. The whole town is cursed. But what triggered this? Who is the patient zero? Is his father the patient zero? Wow, and she is still here. Hmm. Man, she is still dangerous. Yeah. Wow. That scar is turning into a spiral slowly. Oh no. What is happening? This is completely a body horror anime. Man, that's sad. I completely understand that reaction. Oh wow. That's traumatizing. Oh no. What? Is he proposing? Thought so. Man, is he going to attempt something that he shouldn't? Oh no. I can feel that the shit is going to hit the fan soon. Man, like everyone is reaching their breaking point slowly. I still don't understand how the main character or even her is being sane or being like after witnessing all those things. My god. Oh my god, the girl is coming, right? What? Why is he wet? Okay, it was raining outside. Man, that is creepy. Gross. What is up with his face? Hmm. Man, it's creepy. Man, he's drenching. He's drenched up. My god. Wow, yeah, he's too slow. That's unnatural. What's up with him? Oh my god, are they doing something? Oh no. Don't do that. That's sad. Oh no. This is sad. What? Again, my question is how are these guys still in the same town? Why are they not leaving? Are they stupid? Oh, wow, Spiral too. There too. Hmm. Oh, that's why I thought she suddenly developed cancer. Oh no no! Oh no! 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 I forgot about her fingertips. That's scary. Yeah, again understandable, but that's too wild. I forgot so many. How many spirals are there in our daily life? Ooh. First, get out. Okay, they are out of that town, right? They are in some other town. The hospital is in other town. But yeah, how is like why is she taking it so lightly? Oh no, her forehead is complete spiral, right? Oh no, oh no, oh no! I'm bracing myself. Yeah, there it is. Man, I think what? What? I don't know how to react to that. That is the first time. Man, what is that creature? And what is happening? Man, this is going to end badly. Oh no, she's turning into a villain. What? Man, it is developing too fast. Yeah. Wild. What is that creature? Lovecraftian creature type of thing. What? Why would you keep your hand in there? Yeah, that's a good thing to do. Run. He is too calm, man. I won't be that calm. His voice is too calm for what he just witnessed. Yeah. Her own body. This is wild. A black hole. Ugh. And it disappeared. That's sad. Again. So nonchalant. It's just the start of the thing. Do they know the reason? Why is this still the beginning? Why not just run out of the town? It doesn't have to be the beginning. It can be the end. Oh my god. There you go, guys. The episode ended there. Man, it was a creepy episode. At first, I thought it was a little bit comedic. It was funny, like seeing his father obsessed with spirals and seeing his son getting scared of that. But yeah, it quickly turned into some creepy Lovecraftian type of story, type of creatures and everything. My god. Again, if the mission was to creep me out, mission accomplished, man. Fantastic job. Like that black and white, definitely that black and white color choice is adding up to the environment, and even the animation not being smooth and being like this, like they move like a robot type, like they are missing one frame, I think so, that kind of thing. Well, not one frame, but I hope you guys understand what I'm trying to say. But yeah, that was creepy, and like just again, as I said, seeing this episode made me realize how many spirals we usually encounter in everyday life but don't notice them. Man, this episode, after seeing this episode or episode 2, I'm definitely going to start noticing them. Yeah, man, that's creepy. And just imagine being traumatized for seeing those things. Like we can't escape spirals. Like they are everything, as it has been shown in this episode 1. Like there are everywhere we can see. Like if we notice hard enough, or if we search hard enough, we can see the spirals everywhere. So being traumatized of that is brutal, man. I can't even imagine being having that kind of trauma. Wow, this is definitely an interesting story. Like I think so, and not. This might be the most interesting type of story I have experienced, or I had the chance of experiencing till now. I'm not a noob. Like I have seen many other animes, and definitely like Made in Abyss is similarly a body horror type of anime. It is definitely horror, but yeah, it is also an interesting type of story. If you have not seen it, again I advise you guys to please see it after watching this reaction till the end. Please watch this. But yeah, this is such a simple concept. Like people fearing or getting obsessed with spirals in a small town. Yeah, but yeah, I don't know how far this can be stretched. Like how far can the author take this story? Is there 12 episodes of content here? I don't know how long the manga is. But yeah, this is definitely creepy. So mission accomplished there. I don't know why the characters are being so nonchalant. They don't seem too realistic. But as the story is interesting enough, I'm ready to keep that aside. But yeah, if I was there, I would just get out, man. Like the first incident itself, I would just be on my way out of the town. But he and all the other characters too, they are coming to the school every day. They are being there after witnessing so many creepy things. Like, what's happening? Even their voice is not like trembling with fear. They are saying, okay, just not they were not that casual, but he just informed her, she had a hole in her forehead and everyone is getting sucked into it and that kind of thing. Like, who explains it that way? Run! And as she said at the end, it's just a beginning. No, it doesn't have to be. Come on, you guys can run. You guys can escape. I think so they can. Is there anything stopping them from doing that? Like, are they cursed everywhere they go? Or is that happening only in that town? I don't know. Maybe we'll get more answers. I should not be judging the story of an anime from episode 1 itself. Maybe more things will be revealed, like what is triggering this, where is this spiral power coming from and everything. But yeah, I am very, very curious and interested like where this story is going to go. And lucky for me, episode 2 is already out. So yeah, right after this editing this, I'll just go back to reacting episode 2. So yeah guys, if you like my reaction, if you like my thoughts on this episode, please like, share, subscribe and press the notification bell so that you will get notified when my other reaction videos drop. And also do comment below in the comment section your thoughts on this episode and thoughts on my reaction. And if you have any tips or suggestions for me, it's been only 8 months since I started this YouTube channel and there are so many things to improve. There are so many ways I can increase my production value. So please guys, I need your help in that. So comment down below, share your thoughts. I read all the comments, reply to each and every one of them. So please guys, comment down below. And if I have missed anything in this episode that I'm not understanding and being ignorant of, without spoiling, please try to explain, discuss with me, and let's enjoy this anime together, this horror of an anime. Yeah, so yeah guys, and finally, thank you to those who have always been doing that, who have always been liking these videos, sharing them to their friends, subscribing, and most importantly, coming back to these reactions each and every week. Thank you guys, thank you so much. And also, before going, if you are interested in Dandadan and Blue Lock reactions too, I am posting them each and every week. Reaction of episode 1 of those animes is already out, so please check them out too. And yeah, with that being said, thank you guys for watching, and I'll meet you guys in the next episode's reaction.